So I decided to make a purchase from Amazon. This is a kit that you could use while you're traveling, or even if you're a beginner. It includes a little bit of everything in there, even a UV LED lamp. This box, you get this box, you get a base coat, top coat, 4 different colors, plus everything in this kit over here. I'll take everything out in detail and show you guys, but everything's for $59.99, and if you have Prime membership, you get that within 2 days. You don't have to pay for additional shipping. The LED lamp right here, this is a 24 watt. You could use either UV or LED, depending on whatever type of gel you have, but it does work with both types. And these right here are 4 different glitter polishes. I will be taking them out shortly, and I will probably swatch them on my hands. Each bottle is 0.33 ounces, as you can see. And then, well, the colors are, these are all like glittery. It's silver, you've got one in purple, there's one in gold, and then the last one is like an orange pink. And then you also get a base and top coat. These are the same size. And then in this kit right here, like I said, there's a bunch of stuff in here. So let's go ahead and get this started, test this out. I will be leaving everything in the description box in case you guys want to go ahead and place an order, but this is my first time using this. I do have a Sun UV LED lamp, and it works great. I love it. So we'll see how this all works. Alright, let's see what's in this thing. God, there's so much in here. Okay, so, alright. These are toe separators. You can always use these. They come in handy. And then these are alcohol wipes, which I've used before, and I'm glad they're in here because I actually ran out. I do have pads that are not already pre-moistened but pre-moisturized, but these already are available and easy to use, so it's perfect when you're doing a gel manicure, or even if you want to clean out your brush, that works perfectly fine too. This is a tweezer, I think. Yeah, it looks like, not a tweezer. This is a, what do you call this thing? I can't think of the name of it, but it's not in English, so I'll include it in the description box. It's just a tool you could use for even picking little tiny rhinestones on it. Some nail clippers. I have nail file here. These are 2 separate pieces that are stuck together, but you have a 100 and a 180 grit, and then this is more like a buffer. Some tip guides. There's 3. No, actually it's only 1 type of style, so you could use this for many different designs as well. This is a cuticle pusher. You can use that as that. Cuticle cutter, you could use that to go around your nails. A brush that can come in handy. I've got one of these, but I could always use a new one. And then this one is a cuticle oil. Let's see. I don't know if it's scented. I think it is. I could be wrong. Yeah, seems like it's scented. I don't know the fragrance of it, but it smells good. So let's take a look to see what else is included in here. Alright, so this is the next set that is included in this kit. You've got the base coat, top coat, and I'm going to show you these 4 colors right here. I will be applying them to my nails. So this is the silver. It looks kind of thick. Hopefully the application will be smooth on it. And then let's take a look at this one. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is the purple one. Oh my god, yeah. That will definitely be my favorite. This one, let's see. Oh, nice, yeah. This is the, this must be the gold. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And the last one right here is this, oh yeah, this is like that orange. It says that it's an orange pink, but to me, I would just say that it's a pink one. We'll see how it looks when it's applied on the nails. So you could apply these alone, or you could probably put a base of like maybe black polish and then apply that on top, or even maybe on white. It doesn't matter. There's like no wrong or right way to do this. So you've got a total of 4 colors, and then you've got the base and top coat. I will be testing all of these with this thing. I don't know if I can fit it here all on my camera. So here is the lamp that I was talking about. This is the Sun 9C. It's got an on and off switch button, and then you have 2 options. You could either cure for 30 seconds, or you could cure for 60 seconds. It comes with a manual in many different languages, and not that you need to see this, but here's the power cord, the adapter, and yeah, that's it. Nothing else is in that box. So let me go ahead and take my nail polish off, and we'll go ahead and test these babies. What do you guys think of these colors? Aren't they awesome? I don't know how they look just on their own, but I did end up applying a black base just to kind of give it a good pop, and I think they came out great. These alcohol wipes, they don't smell like alcohol. They've got this other scent to it. They're scented with something, I'm not sure what, but it smells amazing. It really does. It's different. Different in a good way. And this, I'm not sure if it's grapefruit or not, but this smells amazing also. And this combo lamp, I forgot to mention, it does have sensors on it, and I've got it plugged in right now, and it doesn't leave the power on, so it's off unless you know, put your hands underneath, and then it'll light up. So that's also a great benefit to have, because you don't always want to plug it in and plug it out when you're not in use. So anyway, yeah, so $59.99 for that entire kit. I think it's a great deal. Great for beginners. This is like perfect if you're traveling, if you like go to a friend's house, you want to do their nails and you don't want to bring your big old UV or LED lamp. I think it's great. It's lightweight, it works great. I had no issues. The glitter gel polishes worked great. The brush on the top coat was a little kind of fat, but I think if I work with it, I could kind of make it even so that it's smooth, so it wasn't too bad. The gel polishes are awesome. I love these colors. They're perfect just on their own. Anyway, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And God bless. Take care. Bye.